too. I really appreciate this.
Me too.
Really appreciate it.
The straighter we can get it, the easier it's going to work.
I like that roof too.
Right.
It's so easy, snow can just fall off.
Exactly. Just whoop.
It's a nice one. You know what I mean? Uh-oh.
Dig it out, Lola. Dig it out.
That helps things, not.
Well, can we just, I think if we can get up over it. Okay, push it. Pop on this side. And we can get up underneath it, then we'll be alright. Oops, sorry, bud. Yeah. Well, put a quarter horse on it? Yeah, probably. We're just trying to get the...
There's a block, there's a stone block. Is that too high?
Yeah. The more we can...
Alright, we're on this here.
The straighter we can get it, the straighter we can get it. The easier, you know, the easier to go right on. Sure.
Just like butter. Oh, bit my cheek. Oh shit.
A little bit, move a little bit. We'll come off while you're going on. Absolutely. Let's hope. I'd go ahead and look.
Okay, my sheets. I swore. Oh well.
Can I come in to look? I want to get that corner if I can. It's not going to want to grab like that. Go ahead, Dwayne. Try a little bit. Yeah, we'll go a little bit. But why don't we put that J-hook on the left because I need it too. On the right side. Well, we got to get that end over anyway. So I just pull it? I think we should keep working the back that way. Now I'm not.
Try it a little bit. Good. Hold on.
Hold on. If you and I can finagle that back that way, we can pull it straight on. That fucking pallet's making my life a little bit hell right now. Could the throwers pick up on it? Could the throwers pick up on it and...
Too bad you couldn't tilt it that way. One could hold the back and one could... Oh, that's why it's poop on it. Never mind.
So, Christian, could we just pull the freaking car out a little bit? Will it come with it, I wonder? Pull the truck boy?
It's a little risk, but you can try it.
I mean...
Oh, you can do it.
Just don't do it so fast, that's all.
It ain't going nowhere.
Right.
Yeah, it might, yeah.
I'll put this hook on this side.
Well, put that pole underneath so if it falls down and slide, it won't catch up into the ground.
At least the front end's up, so that helps.
Right. And how much... We got to come over quite a bit. Well, once we get it out of there, we can slide right up on the ramp, no problem. Once we get it straight, fine. Obviously, we need this end here. We're going to kick that ramp up. That's what I mean. We got to get that axle over. Well, we got to get that up on the... I'd pull it forward a little bit. Try it. Yeah. It ain't going to go nowhere. Right. It is. Don't lose that. What's that? First one you lost money?
It's the second time I've dropped it in here already.
Is it only a second? Look that on this side too.
Yep.
Oh boy.
That's definitely better.
Better off from where you're at. Hey, no smoking.
It's like telling the bumblebee not to have any nectar.
It's got to come this way until we get on this ramp. Right, but I figured... That works out good, Bubba. What? Unless we get it this way. Why don't we undo the J-hook on this side? And pull from that side.
That's kind of what I was thinking. Undo it from this side.
Yeah. I have to drive the truck out a lot further. Because you can pull it pretty much when you. I'd like to be able to get on both these beams. You gotta hook it right in the middle. That'd be good if you can get it on there. If not, you cut yourself a little hole and run the chain through. You know, not a big one, just one big enough to.
He ripped the protection.
Yeah.
As a joke.
Oh. Yeah, that's what I do. I drop the chain. I'd cut that a little bit, drop the chain right on that. And we can pull it straighter. If the J hook won't hook to it, will it stay hooked until it gets pressure on it?
There you
Try that, yeah.
Put her in. Tighten her up at least.
You give it a whirl.
Yeah.
See what she's gonna do. That's I knew that was gonna break anyway.
Okay.
But that's not the 4x4, so you're alright. Try
Yeah.
again.
Hold on. Where's that? Don't put the ass end up over there.
That's what we've been trying to do. You can't get it up.
Do you want me to do the winch? You can help him push or something?
No.
You sure?
I knew this was gonna break anyway. Because all it is thin board.
Right.
But you're on your beam. As long as they built it right.
Is it meant to protect the front end though?
Yeah.
Cover the bottom?
Yes, it's fine. It was just go back
Okay, we can fix it later.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
What we need, in theory, what we need to do is we need these fucking feet up on these.
Right.
So it's
If
still
she,
gonna go that way.
if she wins it, could we push it? If I'm wondering.
If we can get this end up.
I had an idea.
Hold
You
on.
got your jack, right?
Check it there.
Jack him over the truck, that
Like that.
goddamn trailer up underneath.
Not a good idea to me.
Let's get that leg underneath that one. He can really start
We're
winching.
gonna jack the whole fucking thing back right up underneath it. Roll it out.
We're so close to the. We just got the other leg on, swung around. Oh, you can winch it right up. What are you gonna do? Not on me.
Oh, don't worry.
I just know that if we get the other leg in there, it'll pull. It'll slide.
Why exactly this one?
What's fucking us up is that pallet keeps getting snagged up in the back. Otherwise, we'd already have it straight.
Of course we would.
There's 8,000 pounds of chicken feed.
Oh, of course.
All we need to do is jack the front up. Oh, I see what you want to do, yeah. I jack the front up, take the ramps off, back the trailer right up underneath it.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Right,
Sure.
That's what I was hoping is we were going to do was just hook it on the back. Right. We had to do what we had to do. A winch definitely makes it a lot easier.
yeah.
Otherwise we would have still been
I'm trying to get it up out of the ground.
That's why I brought this trailer. I know.
Now I can, is it one block underneath that side? Because then all we gotta do is pull it straight up along. Let's see what he wants to do. I can, where's that pry bar?
It's right there.
I can pull up on this side over here. That's not pulling.
Where'd that other 4x4 go?
I can
No, I gotta walk up that side too, bud.
yeah, I know.
Oh, yeah.
I was just seeing if I can move it a little bit.
I just didn't want to come right down the ground.
Can you go up any higher?
I can, but I keep.
I can't do that. Problem is, my chair's sitting off. Get it? There you go. I'm gonna put this back in there so I don't get